Hey guys, it's Ted with OAXRAY, and today I'm going to tell you why you should be bracing yourself for some fee increases on Amazon.com. So today I woke up and I checked out the news, and it looks like the post office wants to increase prices on Amazon for those small packages that they're delivering. I believe right now USPS is the largest person that Amazon uses for delivery right now. So what this 9 to 12% increase could mean is that we're going to see increased fees on Amazon.com. We normally see this every year. Normally the shipping gets more and more expensive. It's been happening just about every year, but this 9 to 12% increase can really affect your bottom line if you're selling on Amazon. Now, this might make merchant fulfilled a little bit more appealing if they increase it for Amazon and other sellers and the standard rate doesn't go up. So that might be good news if you're doing merchant fulfilled, but overall I think that we're going to see is increased fees in the next couple years. Now, the big part about this that I think the USPS is not looking at is actually the way Amazon, when they ship out a product, they're probably looking at the 3 or 4 lowest price carriers, including themselves. So they're price comparing UPS to USPS to DHL to FedEx and their own delivery service. But if they increase the fees by 12%, I can guarantee you that Amazon is just going to send it to another vendor who's kind of close on the price, or maybe even now with the 12% increase, going to be a better price. This also means Flex and other delivery services that Amazon's developing itself, including Amazon Logistics, is really going to need to step in and take over some of the burden that UPS and USPS is carrying right now. So this is kind of an interesting thing because I think that a lot of people see this as it's going to be this huge increase. But once that happens, once the increase happens, Amazon is going to put its foot on the gas even more to get its own delivery service ready, out of the door, and to all customers. I live in Virginia Beach. I see Flex drivers all the time. About 60-70% of the time, I get an Amazon Flex delivery. I rarely get UPS anymore. I rarely get USPS anymore or FedEx to deliver me packages. So for me, the new Amazon Flex seems like it's already rolled out in my area, but there's a lot of areas it hasn't. So I think USPS really needs to take this in consideration, because if they across the board raise the prices, Amazon is just going to go harder towards Amazon Flex. And I have yet to see any Amazon Logistics vans out there. Those are the big vans that they're making with Mercedes that have the huge logo on the side. So I'm waiting to see those. That's going to be exciting. And they might be able to outcompete USPS. They might be able to deliver it cheaper in the long run because they're not dealing with a lot of the legacy costs that USPS is with their older employees who retire and things like that. But I just wanted everybody to know that this fee increase is probably coming. Hopefully, if you're doing merchant fulfilled, it doesn't affect you very much or at all. But it is what it is. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. Make some money using OAXRAY.
Please like and subscribe. And if you have a question about Amazon, put a comment down below and I'll make a video about it as soon as I can.